Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to talk about two of our stocks, IQST and Golden Nugget Online Gaming, ticker symbol GNOG. IQST, of course, is ticker symbol IQST, and both had some very good days today. So we're going to start off with IQST, then jump into Golden Nugget, and we're going to break down the charts on each of these. So it says IQST takes the next step in preparation for Nasdaq uplisting. It says earlier on this year, on June 28, 2021, the company expanded the board of directors to establish the board as an independent board of directors in conjunction with requirements for an exchange uplisting. Now we're establishing an independent audit committee as a next step in our preparation for an exchange uplisting. Our IAC will consist of 3 current independent members of our board, Raul Perez, Jose Antonio Barreto, and Natalio Genie. Raul Perez will lead the audit committee as the financial controller and compliant expert of the BOD. Mr. Iglesias commented that the independent audit committee is one of the corporate governance prerequisites for both the OTCQX and the Nasdaq. At the same time, the IAC will serve as a resource that can bolster investor and shareholder confidence in the company's transparent management. Mr. Iglesias added, "We are updating our website in conjunction with our governance updates, in addition to providing more details on our recently announced B2B IQS Telecom and B2B EVOSS organizational updates and how the two divisions apply to different strategies to pursue one goal, maximizing shareholder value." So that's some good news, guys, heading in the right direction, and I'll show you here in a minute that we had a very big day for IQST whenever that announcement came out. We're going to move over to Golden Nugget Online Gaming, ticker symbol GNOG. It says, GNOG grows market share in Michigan, expects momentum in other markets. And it says Golden Nugget reports revenue increased 27.7% in Q2 to $31.7 million, although an EBITDA loss of $3.8 million was recorded due to investments in growth markets like Michigan. The company's active first-time depositors were up 110% in the quarter from a year ago, and 12-month active depositors grew 108%. GNOG says it grew market share in Michigan during the quarter and is very pleased with the trajectory of growth in the early quarters of its operations. We expect similar trajectories for our planned launches in Virginia, West Virginia, Pennsylvania this year. In addition, our partnerships with Boom Entertainment will only strengthen our award-winning contest offering, says CEO Tillman Fertitta. We are increasingly encouraged by our results and look forward to executing on the significant and growing market opportunities available to us. He adds, shares of GNOG are flat in pre-market action. This was obviously from this morning at $20.45. GNOG was acquired by DraftKings for 0.365 DraftKings share per share owned of GNOG, which worked out to $18.83 at the time of the deal. So good news for GNOG, but like we said, it's also has been bought out by DraftKings. So it's basically following DraftKings at this point. So as that DraftKings rises, which I know, in my opinion, it will for the rest of the year with sports and everything coming up, then this will rise as well. But let's go and take a look at the charts on both of these and see what they're telling us. All right, guys, so looking at IQST, ticker symbol IQST, and I hadn't really looked at it all day today. I checked it yesterday and saw that we were somewhat, in the 40s or whatnot, and then I checked Thinkorswim and I saw that we finished right at about 60 cents, and I was like, well, we must have had some type of news come out. So big move today, very big move today. We were up about 32%, I think. So we are currently overvalued. To keep that in mind. So tomorrow's going to be obviously the big test of if we continue to move higher, or are we just going to bounce, come down and get rejected and maybe bounce off of this 48 cents support level here and then move forward from there. So we'll have to just kind of wait it out and see how we react tomorrow. These penny stocks can just shoot up and just come straight back down. So I'm not 100% convinced that we're going back to $1 just yet. We're just going to have to wait it out and see what happens. But your current support, 48 cents, current resistance at about 81 cents. Looking at Golden Nugget Online Gaming. We had a really good day today. We busted through that 21.22 resistance level. So now that's going to act as support for GNOG. And next level of resistance is 23.80 So we'll have to wait it out and see if we can make it there. But again, we're following DraftKings basically right here, guys. So if we're looking at DraftKings, DraftKings also had a pretty big day and extremely overvalued. So you can expect a pullback probably down to, see, currently it's at about 60 and some change. I would say it can probably come down to about 57, maybe even 56 before making its way back up and moving to the upside. But we'll have to just kind of wait it out and see, because anytime we have a move that's basically straight up like this, we always get some type of pullback. So on DraftKings, current support 57.16, current resistance of 61.22. So we'll have to wait and see exactly how it reacts. But both of them put some positive news today, so that's really, really exciting on both ends. All right, guys, that's all I have for you in this video. Make sure that you smash the thumbs up button if you found value in today's video. And if you enjoy our content, of course, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. That way YouTube can let you know every time we release new content. Other than that, guys, we'll catch you in the next video.